Hey, welcome back. So this morning we do have some areas of fog to watch out for that could cause some reduced visibilities in your travels for today. Here's a view across the UP. A lot of areas with some partly cloudy skies and quite foggy on the west end in the Keweenaw over and along the Portage Canal. So you can see that imagery, that sky camera on the left as compared to the Mackinac Bridge, which looks a whole lot better. But that fog will mix back out once the sun comes out later on this morning. So by about midday, fog isn't going to be too much of a concern after that. It will be unseasonably warm. We're going to have more snow melt, more wet surfaces, and then eventually slick and slippery conditions tonight. We're looking at low to mid 40s in interior areas this afternoon with mid to upper 30s along the shorelines of the Great Lakes. 29 is our normal. And then things become a little bit more dicey tonight. We're expecting some freezing drizzle, light rain and snow mixture to move in during the overnight hours, and that's going to cause slippery and icy surfaces for the overnight extending into tomorrow ahead of our next clipper system. So here's a timeline of that. Today, partly cloudy, some light southerly winds, a little bit of light moisture trying to work in very late in the afternoon and early evening across the west end, with a better shot of that wintry mixture of some rain, freezing drizzle, as well as some snow coming in overnight. Then that's coming ahead of our next clipper system, which comes tomorrow. It's a weak one with some very light snow. That moves out, and clipper system number 2, which is the one that we're more concerned with, comes in on Friday. That's going to cause and bring in widespread moderate to heavy wet snow. We will have some moderate accumulations out of this. We're also going to have some gusty and windy conditions as well. Now, after that moves out, it's very light lake effect snow for Saturday morning and some colder conditions. Here's the timeline of those two systems. This is tomorrow morning as that mixture's moving through. Very light snow going to roll through along our northerly, northwesterly wind belts tomorrow afternoon. Again, across our northern areas following that north and northwesterly wind flow and then tapering off tomorrow evening. Look, I stopped it at 8 p.m. There will be a lull for tomorrow evening all the way through the overnight hours. Then clipper system number 2, the one we're really concerned with, moves in for Friday morning, 6 a.m. Big swath of moderate to heavy snow passing from west to east, continuing into the afternoon across our northern areas, extending into the evening as well, coupled with gusty winds on Friday. Southwesterly winds of gusts of 30 to 35 miles per hour throughout the course of the day. About 4 to 6 inches of snow across portions of the Keweenaw and the eastern and central areas of the UP, from Alger all the way through Schoolcraft counties. Extreme eastern UP ranging 7 to 9 inches of snow, but generally 1 to 3 inches of snow across most of our central and western areas. This is going to be that hard, wet snow that'll be difficult to shovel. And with those gusty, windy conditions, we could also have blowing snow be an issue, especially for Friday night extending into Saturday morning as that gradually moves out. So I did highlight Friday as the potential for a first alert weather day. We're a couple of days out. We're going to see how this pans out. There's room for adjustments, but highlighting Friday as a big concern for travel across the UP.